Hi friends, this is 5 Stock YouTube channel. In this video, you will learn how you can rename your file in your PC or laptop if you are running in Windows 11. This is a downloader file and I want to rename this file. I want to use this title as the file name. So I copy this title text and I go to rename my file, go to downloader file, I open downloads, this is the file and click on open in folder and this is the file. Right click on this file and usually you will see the rename option here, but in Windows 11 it's not available here. So this is the button for rename. Just click that and now paste the text that you copied, or you can give your own name. Just you can type here. I just paste the text I copied and this is the file. I renamed it and this is the output file. So in this way you can easily rename your file if you are running on Windows 11. That's all friends. Bye.